Hello guys, I'm here now to explain for you this amazing technique to mine diamonds. So I'm using here some mods. This is my eternal world in Minecraft. So I'm using silent gear. I have this hammer, right? This iron ramen is enchanted. And I will explain for you guys the nicest method to find diamonds. As you can see, I already found some diamonds here. By the way, I will explain the technique you can use in mods or without mods, no problem at all. So the first thing you need to notice is that I'm right now in a lucky cave, as you can see there. So I have some creepers here that I need to kill. I don't want some problems during the mining. So the lucky cave is the best place to mine for sure. You have a lot of tough miners and for sure will be the nicest place to mine. You have just a little bit of mobs, so let's go into it. I have some diamonds here. I made this room to start building the tunnels here. First thing you need to consider that I'm in the level minus 58 or 57. No problem at all. Any of these levels you will find a lot of diamonds. So consider this stuff here. Tuff is a good way to find diamonds. Tuff and redstone usually is the best combination you can find. And also you can find veins of minerals in tuff. So I will make this tunnel here in the direction of redstone. So usually gravel is not a nice thing to find, but I will keep going. Straight forward, and I will try to find some diamonds because of the redstone in the tuff there. Probably I will find some good miners here, good ores, right? So I will mine here just a little bit. Just pressing forward. So I found some tuff in my right side. I will just mine a little bit. Probably will find some ores here, as you can see. Tuff is a good way to find ores. Usually we'll find a lot of them, any kind. So I found here redstone. Redstone is a good signal. Probably I will find some diamonds in this direction, so I'll place a torch here to mark that I found redstone here. I will press forward and try to find some diamonds here. So I find zinc. This is from Create Mod. I will get some of those. Pretty nice ore. Gold and topaz here is from Silent Gear. And I'm gonna get a lot of XP because a property in my hammer that's from Silent Gear. So let's press forward. Oh, more gravels here. It's not a good signal, but I will press forward. I will continue mining this direction straight. Oh, look at this, some diamonds here. Just 3 minutes, like we found some diamonds here. Look at the headstone. Always we have headstone nearby of diamonds. It's always happen. So let's go. Oh, more diamonds here. This technique is so broken. You can even use without mods, but with hammers, man, this will be OP. With hammers we will find a lot of ores pretty fast. Let's go to find more diamonds. So look at here, we have some gem. This is from Silent Gems. Oh, right, we found tuff here. I will straight forward. I will cave a little bit here if I find something. Yes, I found zinc. I need this, so I get some those. I will get some of those zinc. That's straightforward. Here, look at this redstone. We have here redstone, and probably we'll find some more diamonds here. I will put a torch here to mark. In my right side we have here diamonds in the tuff. Look at the tuff. Tuff is a really good sign. There are some mechanics about diamonds that we need to understand. Diamonds have a relationship with oxygen. Minecraft has some sort of feature with oxygen. So less oxygen means a lot of diamond. So you find a lot of diamonds nearby lava, water, and usually this level, the minus 58, we have a lot of them, a lot, because the oxygen here is in a lower level. So let's get some of these minerals here. Let's straight to it. This board is from also Silent Gear, silvers, Silent Gear. I made this combination with Silent Gear and Silent Gems with the Silent Lid. We can make a lot of OP tools with good materials. As you can see, guys, usually we'll find a lot of other ores in the way. That's good. When you go to mine, consider that if it's just diamonds that you're mining. Please consider other ores. So as you can see, I'm not putting torches because I'm using this mod that increases my brightness to see better. You can use some of this mod or just do the normal way that we always do in Minecraft vanilla. No problem at all. But if you are playing with mods, consider these tools like Silent Gear, or if you are like 1.20.1 version of Minecraft, consider Tinker's Construct is good also. Have hammers there also. More redstone. Let's press forward. Probably I will find some diamonds here. If I found redstone, go forward, go straight forward. Yes, I found some lava here. No problem at all. It means probably I will find some diamonds nearby. By the way, if I can press forward, I will do it so. So close this hole here, and I will straight forward again. Probably I will use my single pickaxe to open this little tunnel here. Make sure you enchanted your tools. Doesn't matter if you are with like iron tools, doesn't matter. If you have XP, man, use it. Use it, because if you die, it will be all away. So use it even if you have iron tools, no problem at all. So more redstone. This encourages me to press forward and go straight forward. I have other ores here and some gems that are pretty useful. Actually, this gem here is so nice that I will get some of those. Yeah, good. So I will mark here because I found redstone, and I go straight forward again. Well, we found tuff, and now we found diamonds. That's pretty crazy though. If you find tuff, probably you'll find a lot of different minerals, right? So let's mine them. I will cave a little bit around if I found some more. Sometimes you can find diamonds in diagonal. Have some gold here. That's good. Let's go. I will mine a little bit of tuff here. Probably I'll make some tunnels later, because tuff have a lot of ores there. Just mark and press forward. More redstone and more diamonds. This technique is actually crazy. You'll find a lot of diamonds. And for sure, if you have a hammer, this will be really easy. It will be easier than normal pickaxe. If you don't enchant your pickaxe with some sort of efficiency, or if you don't have a haste to mine faster, that will be bad. You will take a lot of time, but this is like the more mid game. If you are in the mid game, make sure you will enchant your tools. Let's mark and press forward again. So I need this gem. This gem's good. Oh, diamonds here. Let's go. Actually, we find a lot of diamonds in just 11 minutes. That's crazy. Hell, no. We're here. More diamonds, bro. And more redstone. So I found redstone in my front. I'm not going away, man. I go straight forward. I need more diamonds. More redstone and more diamonds. So I will close this lava here. Ooh. I don't wanna lose my diamonds. Let's get some diamonds with this single pickaxe here. Have this diamond pickaxe. As you can see, more diamonds. Make sure you will cave around, dig a little bit to find more diamonds in the diagonal. Nice. I will mark here because I have redstone. I don't need to get all this redstone. So I'm going back and I will make a second tunnel to show you guys that this method is really effective. When you mark the section, just go there again, dig a little bit, and for sure you'll get more and more diamonds. Let's go there then. So we found a really nice quantity of diamonds in just 11-10 minutes. You can get actually a lot of diamonds. So we will dig here. Let's go. I have a lot of tuff and redstone appearing here. Well, we have here some gravel. It's not a good sign actually, but probably you can find something here or not. It's a pretty hair, but you can find something. But we don't have nothing here. This is nothing. Just mine. Wow. That's it, bro. More diamonds. This method is really nice. As you can see, we found a lot of other ores here during our mining. If you have a hammer, this will be really fast. You will find a lot of minerals. So consider using some mod. This will be really enjoying. You will grow much faster in Minecraft. But if you are playing vanilla, you like vanilla, no problem at all. You can do the same. Just dig around, enchant our pickaxe with efficient. No problem at all. 1 stack and 4 diamonds in 15 minutes. That's crazy. That's crazy. I think my work is done here, teaching you guys how to make this mining for diamonds. This is crazy, man. This is so broken. This technique works pretty well. As you can see, more diamonds here. Please guys, press the button, like and subscribe. Watch my other videos. I really know you will enjoy. We are starting this project. If you like these videos in my eternal world, that we are in some like mid game, I will show for you guys more videos and help you to understand a little bit more about Minecraft and how create your own eternal world. This will be pretty nice. Goodbye guys.